Yes, here we go again. Remove the differential gear assembly to make another pinion shim adjustment. The gear pattern still showing the pinion too deep. And I'm hoping this will be the final setup. It'll still have to come out one more time for the final assembly because I have some new parts that'll be going in on that final install. And good morning, Paul Stevens from My Jeep WJ Update. It's been a while since I've worked on my Jeep. I think the first few days of November or late October, I just don't remember because we've done a number of things. Trips to Houston, a breakdown on the road, which slowed us up a couple of days, and a bunch of things. Anyway, this is just a quick update so I can let you know what I'm doing, and I'm still here. And the last thing I did before I left for Houston was I had pulled that my differential out. I had in the pinion, and I did a shim adjustment behind the pinion, put it back together, ran a pattern, and it was still a little too deep. So that's what I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be pulling that those gears out, and I'm going to reduce the shims behind the pinion race about probably 50 thousandths, and see what I got from there and put it back together and do it again. Anyway, that's a quick update. I'll get back with you with any progress. My Jeep out.